teacher. Hi guys, my name is Isabel Lopez. I am going to talk about my personality. My personality. I am consider myself an introvert and friendly, but I pretend to lively. I am a sociable person, and I am like to talk to people. At school, I was always religious. When I speak English sometimes, I feel a bit insecurity too. I remember at my brother's birthday, all my family asked to me say the complete for the of words to me brothers because they they decide I am very confident and will speak. So I did it, and she always agreed. And but I am determined and working person, uh, and I am trying to improve it. In recent times, I realized that I have an special ability with games. Is is that I can make the learner the learn uh, what I want I want and that was some way because I could be a very good teacher in my opinion. I like to